Hey guys, happy first day of fall. I am going to record a song from Lesson Book 2, Monster Book 2. Okay, the name of the song is The Bells Ring Out on page 11. Okay, so John Thompson, Monster Book 2, the blue book, The Bells Ring Out on page 11 uses the new note F sharp played with the ring finger. Okay, so it's played with this finger above middle C. Okay, and in this song we also get to use the pedal with our right foot, and the pedal allows the notes to echo. So that's with the pedal, without the pedal, so it sounds a little cooler with the pedal. Okay, alright, so here it is, page 11, Monster Book 2, The Bells Ring Out. And that's it. That's the whole song. Monster Book 2, page 11, The Bells Ring Out, F sharp, and the right pedal. Hit the subscribe button, watch for the next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.